Hello and welcome to this video on Proxmox VE6. Proxmox VE 6.0 is based on Debian 10 Buster, combined with the latest versions of the leading open source technologies for virtual environments. This includes a 5.0 Linux kernel, Ceph 14, ZFS 0.8.1, and Corosync 3. There is a detailed upgrade path for Proxmox VE version 5 to 6. You can find detailed instructions in the release notes linked below. Proxmox VE includes a wizard for the cluster creation. Before we start, let's have a look on the network settings. For a fully redundant Corosync 3 network, the idea is to use two network links. The cluster wizard brings now a drop-down list to easily select the network. Let's do this on this demo server. So let's go back to the cluster creation wizard. Choose a cluster name. Then, from the newly available drop-down list, select the network for link 0. If we open the advanced options, we can add the second network for the link 1. Then, click Create Cluster. To join the second node, copy the join information into the clipboard. Then, change to the admin interface of the second node. In our demo, this is the host PVE6 demo 2. Go to the cluster tab and paste the clipboard content into the window by pressing the keystroke Ctrl+V. Finally, we have to select the needed network for link 0 and link 1, and to enter the root password of the first node. If we go back to the admin interface of the first node, we can already see the second node there. Now let's do the same for the third node. Paste join information. Set the link 0 and link 1. Then enter the root password, and join. Let's go back to the admin interface of the first node, and we'll see a 3-node cluster with a fully redundant Corosync 3 network. In Proxmox VE6 we have also updated the wizard for the Ceph package installation. It now allows a complete Ceph 14 installation without the need to touch the command line. Let's start the installation on the first node. In the background, the Proxmox Ceph repository is added, and all needed packages get installed. Next, we have to select the network for Ceph, and the basic configuration is ready. The new Ceph dashboard displays a detailed status of the Ceph cluster, the IP addresses, the port of the services, and of the software version number. The version number is quite useful in the case of software updates, so you can always see if your services run on the latest version. You can manually stop an OSD, a manager, a monitor, and a metadata server. The dashboard now shows warnings and issues. Start all stopped services again, and everything goes back to green. The QEMU Life migration now supports migration with local disks. We still recommend using shared or distributed storage, but local disk life migration can be useful too. We have a Debian virtual machine using local LVM thin as virtual disk. Choose Migrate, select the target node and the target storage. Then start. By monitoring the migration task and the VM console, we can see the migration process and the VM which is always up and running. The Proxmox development team has added many other improvements on several places. To find out more, please read the detailed release notes, or simply install or upgrade your own Proxmox VE hosts. The new version Proxmox VE 6.0 is available in our repositories. Just download the ISO and discover all the new features. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox VE. Thanks for watching.